Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla Rearview camera circuit fault and what could be causing it based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, the rearview camera may fail to display an image when the vehicle is placed in reverse or otherwise expected to show the camera feed. When this occurs, the backup camera may appear completely blank, intermittently cut out, or fail to activate despite other vehicle systems functioning normally. This condition does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, production period, software version, and hardware configuration. Verified information shows that one documented cause involves a circuit board condition in the vehicle's main computer system that affects rear camera functionality. In a voluntary recall covering certain 2023 to 2025 Model 3, Model Y, Model S, and Model X vehicles, Tesla identified that a short circuit in the car computer board could interrupt the rearview camera image display. The short may occur during vehicle power-up and prevent the camera signal from reaching the central display, resulting in a loss of the rear camera feed. This condition can occur without warning and was addressed through a software update that alters the vehicle power-up sequence to reduce stress on the affected circuitry. Vehicles that experience the short may require replacement of the car computer at no cost under the recall terms. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior software or hardware updates, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Another documented factor outside the recall context involves wiring harness wear or damage. Earlier Model 3 vehicles were subject to a recall involving rearview camera wiring harness damage due to trunk operation, which could also interrupt camera signal if the wiring harness is worn through or pinched. As a possible contributing factor, connector corrosion, physical impact near the rear of the vehicle, or harness strain could be related in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Corrective actions described in verified information typically begin with over-the-air software updates that address known computer board stress conditions. If the camera fails persistently or after the update, inspection and replacement of the car computer or associated hardware may be required. Repair of wiring harness damage involves replacing the affected harness and restoring correct signal continuity. Reviewed information indicates that rear-view camera circuit faults are not widespread across all Tesla vehicles but have been significant enough to prompt recalls and service actions. Some vehicles may never experience camera loss, while others in specific production periods or with older wiring harness configurations may be more susceptible. In conclusion, Tesla rear-view camera circuit faults are generally linked to documented circuit board stress conditions and wiring harness issues rather than a universal camera failure. The issue varies by vehicle and production configurations, and resolution depends on accurate diagnosis and appropriate recall compliance or service action. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.